And what is up, everyone? Today we haven't made a video like this in a long time. Remember when I was moderator for tornado blocks? Yeah. Sadly, I got basically did not. Yeah, I did not. Yeah. So I go into my communities right here, tornado blocks. You already know tornado blocks. I've made a video of it before, but guess what? I am the only person that is me. So yeah, I am now a content creator instead of a moderator because I don't know why I'm not a moderator anymore. I don't even know. So yeah, I am a content creator for tornado blocks now. Hopefully you guys see me in random lobbies. And yeah, see you guys later. Alright, thanks. Bye. Let's go.